I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same.
Hey guys, thank you for jumping onto this video. Make sure you leave a like, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. So let's start the tutorial. As you can see, these are the clips on my timeline. Let's add the distort transition. Scroll to distort, choose any transition you like, then apply it to all. Now let's change the other transitions. You can play around with this and choose the transition you like. Let's preview the transitions. So that's all for my side today, guys. Make sure you leave a comment if you find this video helpful. Much love I got for you. Peace.